Hi everyone. Today we're gonna see a really useful new feature from Google Gemini and the capabilities they provide around creating ready-to-use presentations. And this is going to happen through the Canvas utility. So very simply, this is basically saving you hours if you're on a daily basis creating a lot of presentation and doing a lot of research and then repurposing that content into slide decks. So for our example, we're going to take this article from the Financial Times and use this content to provide a very simple 10 slide type of deck. So basically you copy the content. It could be a deep research. It could be any textual content you'd like to have. Make sure you use the Canvas utility and then basically paste all the content or add the files as PDFs or other formats, and make sure you start your prompt with create a presentation. This is important to really trigger the Gemini model to create this slide deck specifically and not any other format. And from there, basically you launch it and you let it run with the data point. And what's gonna basically happen is Google Gemini will be extracting the data points, will be creating a layout of the structure, the key findings, identifying the most compelling design and the outline of the presentation, and then basically start preparing it so you can either use it as is, export it to Google Slide, or then download it as a PowerPoint if you need it. And even you can take it further down the road by customizing the output and look and feel with your own font style, brand guidelines, color palette, etc. And you can actually see all the steps happening here. And one funny thing is that Google Gemini in this case will search for key visual representations. So these could be images of the people that have been mentioned, images or photos that would represent the key theme or message you'd like to send. And basically you can see here that creating the slides is shaping up, and you can directly export it to Google Slides right away in the Google Workspace. And this is gonna take just few more seconds, and we'll have 10, probably 13 slides all in all that are based on the input I provided. And this is really something that saves you a lot of time, moving from probably an hour or two for a single deck presentation, going back and forth from that content, to basically having a ready-to-use light format slides. And there you go. So here we have 13 slides, the new Power Player, nice layout, a CVC backed entity, we have some containers, we have some figures, etc. And then we have the thesis, we have even icons to structure that content, we have key people here, and these are the real pictures, for example, of the advisory board with Sia Colisi, David Villa, Skyler, etc. We even have charts representing these figures from the article. Even we have quotes and basically additional inputs with the sources that have been mentioned. So this is it. You can then basically export it to slides, and you can download it as a PDF, and that's it. In less than 5 minutes, you have a fully fledged PowerPoint. You can do your research and present it, and then you can customize it as needed. So hope this helpful, and talk to you soon.